Welcome back, my friends. Today we are not doing an unboxing video. Don't worry, there are more to come in the summer. That's for sure. Today I'm going to show you something really fantastic and that you would like to know. So let's first grab the things that we are going to use. We're going to use these tied up phones. And the next thing that we are going to need is not that scissors, not a knife. We're going to use these rosé Q-tips, as I call it. You can call it earbuds, I think. Anyway, we are going to leave that in the side. So now we are going to untie this. Let me untie this, and the video will continue. So, we know everybody has these bad headphones which are tied up together and you don't even know how they are even tied. So here I untie them, and now I will show you how you can store everything in one piece without getting tied up again. So for this we are going to need these Q-tips. Open it, or so take one out, clear your ear first, and then take another one out and put it aside, store it. The earbud like this. So grab the earbud. Then we have here the audio jack. First you are going to put it like this, and you just want to go around. Don't worry, the cable will not get damaged. I think you can cut it with a knife if it gets damaged. I will show you that in a bit, but you are not supposed to do that, so we are not going to do that in the video. So just keep going like this. Tie the headphones like this. You can carry this is so efficient, and you can carry this wherever you want to go, in the school, in the classroom. It fits perfectly in your pocket. You can put it, nobody will think this is a headphones. And we are done. So put them like this, and now to go to school, put this in your pocket and you are ready. Then if you want to untie them from this very fast, you just hold this up and just spin it like this. Spin it, whoop, whoop. And now you are continuing to spin it, and here you can clear your ears with this again. Let me, oh yeah. And now you have got the set right here, tied up again. Yes, anyway, this is, it's stuck on my power brick. What the big. So this is how you can store it with a Q-tip and be stuck like this, and the wire will not get damaged. And if you don't want to untie them, if they are mixed together and you don't want to untie them, you just take this. And everybody has a brother or sister who doing bad things and have to do some work for you. So let's just go see what you have to do. Untie this, you bad. Hey, don't throw it. Untie it, you bad boy.